Hello and welcome back to Ajayasthomani Guru. I'm Ria, and today we are diving deep into the advanced analysis of the cotton market, specifically looking at the price action and key drivers for ICE cotton futures as we head into a major data release. ICE cotton futures closed lower in Thursday's session. The market found itself in a tense holding pattern, caught between limited support from a slightly weaker US dollar and a dominant sense of caution. This hesitation is all about tomorrow's critical vast day report, which will offer the first full US and global supply-demand picture since September. The December 2025 contract settled 40 points lower at 62.90 cents per pound, just a hair above its contract low. The more actively traded March 2026 contract also lost ground, closing 28 points down at 64.53 cents. The visible selling pressure reflects active position squaring as the December contract barrels toward its first notice day on 21st November. While the reopening of the US government brought relief, the market quickly faced disappointment over the slow pace of data normalization. The USDA confirmed it will only release a couple of reports per week, meaning full real-time export visibility will remain constrained for several more weeks, potentially until late December. This limited visibility is a major concern for traders. The first backlog data set, the weekly export sales for the week ending 25th September, showed net sales totaling 155,400 running bales, with Vietnam, Turkey, and India leading the purchases. Exports reached 117,600 running bales. New crop sales, however, saw 44,000 running bales sold entirely to China. Crucially, the total accumulated sales plus shipments are currently 4.33 million running bales. This figure remains significantly behind the 5.21 million running bales recorded at this time last year. This soft export demand keeps sentiment decidedly defensive. The easing of the US dollar, which reached a two-week low at 99.070, offered only fleeting support. The focus remained squarely on the potential for a larger US crop estimate in the upcoming vast day report, combined with the lackluster export demand. In terms of market structure, the December to March spread, often referred to as the Z8 spread, softened further, closing 12 points lower at negative 1.63 cents. This is its weakest closing level since 22nd October, signaling a distinct lack of conviction in the near-term supply situation. The sharp drop in December open interest, now down to 23,596 lots, underscores the heavy pre-delivery liquidation. Friends, the coming month could see a major move in cotton. Will it be a breakout rally or a deepening decline? Our advanced analysis suggests the key drivers are now centered on the balance between macro global demand and micro US supply dynamics. For our subscribers who seek the most advanced analysis and anticipatory signals, the critical edge that tells you whether this upcoming move will be a surge or a crash, please reach out to us directly. Our contact number is available on your screen right now and in the description box below. Don't trade based on past data, trade based on future analysis. Thank you for joining me. Subscribe to Ajayasthomani Guru for more advanced commodity analysis, and I'll see you in the
सोनाक्षी की रसोई में आज की स्पेशल गेस्ट है मौसमी चैटर्जी जी।
ये जी नहीं, मौसमी आंटी।
ओके आंटी मौसमी, तो आज आप क्या बनाएंगी?
मैं क्यों बनाऊं? मैं तो गेस्ट हूँ, आप बनाओ हम खाएंगे। एक्टिंग में तो हिट हो, अब खाना बनाओ सुपर हिट।
ठाट से बनाऊंगी खाना, है ना द बेस्ट एवरीडे मसाला। आओ बनाते हैं मसालेदार छोले।
छोले
हर रोज के करी में एवरीडे मसाले, शाही बिरयानी में स्वाद का जायका।
पटल पोस्तो और सर्षे इलिश भापा। साफ मसाले, खुशबू और प्योर झाग, टेस्ट से भर दे हर जुबान पे स्वाद।
एवरीडे मसाले, देश का स्वाद।